the league hit it out of the ballpark. It's definitely, yeah, this is definitely a Wisconsin draft, and it's got a theme.
This is quite an experience, and that's another reason why I wanted to come down today, is just because this small town Green Bay, this just doesn't happen.
You know, this is a one-time life experience. I feel like this is what I watched growing up. You know, this is all it was about, was going to the draft, you know, watching all the players walk the stage. And for me, my family, they get to come. So, you know, just knowing that I could bring them with me on this experience, you know, it mean a lot to me. And I'm glad to be here.
We're excited. We've been here for a game. It was a bucket list, and it is by far the best stadium I've ever been to, and I've been to 26 of them.
Most of the other cities where the draft has been held, it's downtown, a very different atmosphere than here, and being right next to Lambeau Field, and you know, I've been able to look into Lambeau and see all they're doing there. I think people are going to love it.